Hello and welcome back to Chopstick Maths. In this video of geometry, we are going to learn what is a segment or a line segment. Segment or a line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two endpoints and contains every point on the line between its endpoints. So we can explain here on this diagram. You can see this is line L and there are 2 points that I have chosen, point A and point B. So this is the segment AB and point A and point B are its endpoints. So segment AB can be defined as part of the line that is bounded by two endpoints A and B and contains all the points on the line that are in between point A and B. So this is segment AB. I have drawn it over here separately. Now, segment is part of a line, or technically we can say that a segment is subset of a line. How to name a segment? Now here I have drawn segment PQ and points P and Q are the endpoints of the segment. Now you can call it as segment PQ or segment QP. So here the order is not important. You can call it segment PQ or segment QP, or you can even use this notation PQ with a bar on it. So this will be segment PQ or segment QP. Now segment is a one-dimensional figure. That is, a segment has a definite length. So how do we define length of a segment? The distance between the two endpoints P and Q is the length of the segment. Therefore, we write it as distance between points P, Q is equal to length of segment PQ. Now let us learn what is a ray. Ray is part of a line that has one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction. Now this is a diagram of a ray. Now you can see this ray has one endpoint here, and that is point A, and it is extending infinitely in this particular direction, and it is indicated by the arrowhead. That means it is extending infinitely. And B is any other point on the ray. Now the endpoint can also be thought as the point of origin for the ray. Now this particular point A can also be considered as a point of origin. Point A is also called as the vertex of the ray. So you can also call it as the vertex. But generally this term vertex is used more common than the point of origin. So let us now learn how to name a ray. Now here we have two rays. Now while naming a ray, we have to be very careful because the order is very important. Now if you look at this ray, the vertex is A and B is any other point on the ray, and ray is extending infinitely in this direction. So this ray will be named as ray AB. Now here, as I said, the order is very important because the first point is the vertex and the second point is any other point on the ray. So you'll have to call this as ray AB. You cannot call this as ray BA, that would be wrong. So ray AB, or you can also denote it by this symbol AB with an arrow pointing from A towards B. Now, if you look at this ray, the vertex is B and A is any other point, and the ray is extending infinitely in this direction. So this we have to name it as ray BA, as we know that the first point will be the vertex, that will be B, and second point is any other point on the ray. So this is ray BA, or symbolically ray BA, that is an arrow from B towards A. So you have to remember that ray AB is not equal to ray BA.